Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're breaking down the United States Oil Fund, ticker USO, the ETF that closely tracks West Texas intermediate crude oil prices. As of the market close on January 2nd, 2026, USO finished at $68.96, down about 0.3% on the day, and continuing a weak start to the new year. Oil markets just posted their largest annual decline since 2020, driven by persistent oversupply concerns and rising OPEC plus production. Despite brief early gains from geopolitical tensions, prices have remained under pressure, with Brent crude hovering in the low 60s and analysts forecasting averages potentially dropping toward $55 per barrel in 2026. For USO holders, expect ongoing volatility as supply glut risks outweigh demand recovery signals. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional. If you enjoyed this quick update, hit that like button, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for more market insights, and let me know in the comments what stock you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some money. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. I will love you so much. I'll see you on the next one.